Hi, I'm Julia Graves, APQS educator and owner of Special Occasion Quilts. So let's talk about auditioning quilt designs. I have a book of all the various pantographs that I have available so that customers can pick, but sometimes it's hard to visualize from this smaller design what it's going to look like on the actual quilt. So one thing you can do is take a document sheet protector. I have cut it open on two sides to make a nice flat surface. I can lay this over my paper pantograph and with a Sharpie marker trace around the design. And that's going to get me the full scale design, and I can see, is that going to look good on my quilt? Now let's say you have Quilt Path. You can go in, pick the design, and have it print out. You're going to take these X's and you're going to line them up one over the other, and that's going to give you a paper pantograph. And because it's Quilt Path, you can pick the scale that you intend to use. And if you need more sheets, it'll just add more sheets to make the design the size you need. And then you could trace it again onto a document sheet protector and have the design at the right scale for what you're thinking about. And so much easier to make adjustments here versus quilting it and decide, oh, I don't like it. Now let's say you're doing custom design. I have a plexiglass board. You see I've covered it in black electrician's tape so that it's going to stop my pen and I'm not going to go off and write on the quilt, which would be really sad. And so then again, I can take a dry erase marker and I can audition designs. What might I want to do in these designs? And I can look at it and say, oh, I think I like that one. I can try it out again. I can work a path of how am I going to get across the quilt and back with hopefully one stop and start, all with my dry erase auditioning board on plexiglass. You can get this from any hardware store, and you're going to want the width to make sure it fits in your throat space on the table. So if you have a narrow machine, you want to get a narrower plexiglass so that it fits on your table frame. But this is a wonderful way to audition, work out any problem areas, make sure you like it, and that way you and the customer have a good idea of what's coming.